All right, guys, today is day 2 of announcement week. Today, we're going to go through and look at my top 7 favorite moments from my channel. In case you guys are wondering why top 7, it's just because that's the number of videos that I found that I wanted to include. I want to clear up a couple things about announcement week. A lot of you guys have speculated, and I led to it in my first video, that the channel may be over, and that I won't be filming videos anymore. And while the channel, the way it is now, is going to be over, I'm still going to be here. Things are just going to be different. And when I say that the channel will change and things won't be the same ever again, they won't be, because it's going to be an entirely new look, an entirely new message. The channel will still focus on sneakers and reselling news. I will have some other channels coming out on other topics that I'll talk about later in the week, probably on Thursday. But this is episode 2 of Announcement Week, top 7 moments of the channel. Off tomorrow, Thursday, we'll be bringing you guys a video. Goodbye, Solestate. So make sure you have post notifications turned on. That way you guys are notified whenever we post a new video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's check out my top 7 favorite moments of this channel. All right, we're not going to watch the entire video of all of these, but I'm going to go through these 7 videos and we'll check them out. So this is the first video that I've chosen, the very first video that I uploaded on this channel, unboxing a $300 sneaker mystery box, a rare grail find. Let's check it out. And let's cringe at how bad this is. I've already covered this in another video, so we're not going to watch the whole thing. This whole intro graphic, though, was like 20-something seconds long. So, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another beater box video. Haven't done a video in a long time, but really looking forward to getting back into it. I know right now most of you guys are probably just... Pay attention to the Jamaican-style music playing in the background that I just chose to leave the entire way through. Stuck at home and don't have a lot to do, so hopefully this video,
okay, let's just get to some of the shoes.
Revitalizing of this channel first. There's the Jamaican music. I didn't really cut anything out in this, did I? All right, this is a absolute boat of a shoe. We got a size 14. Looks like a Jordan 1. This looks to be a Jordan 1, some type of something weird. Anyway, so that's it. Okay. Laces in here about Puma's. Let me just fast forward to the rare grail. Go ahead and get this next. There was one extra black lace. Oh, the shoe. Look at that. That will be included if you guys would like to purchase. Here's the rare grail find. It's in a size 9, 2008. That's when this shoe was released.
Say what?
Wow, look at that. I don't know where this lace came from. So the story on that shoe was there were not many sales on the market, and that's what I thought it was going to be worth. Side note, I shipped that shoe off to a guy to sell for me, and he never sold it, and he never gave it back, and he probably still has it today. So congrats. All right, let's check out the next video. The next video is oh wow, this looks bad. Okay, all right. So live cop episode 1. This is the very first live cop that I've ever done. So let's check it out. So everyone, welcome to this new series. Look at that wall behind me. Channel here. Nice. Talked about it before, but I am getting heavier into sneaker botting, and I just wanted to... This is a long intro. Let's just fast forward though. Okay. Here's a Nike shoe bot. Okay, we got something. Oh, Kith Looney Tunes. All right. Wow, this is bad. Canceled. So, and I already do have the shipping confirmation. Let's just fast forward it. Okay, some different music. Nodders. Okay, we got a lot of Kith Looney Tunes stuff. I was able to get some on the bot, and I was actually able to check out. It didn't sell for much. But I was able to cop this smaller pair, and this pair even I think is going to do well on the resale market. Jordan 1. Oh, nice. Tie-dye. We'll go up. I really like the way that they've done the bottom too. Oh, Yeezy Quantum. I bought Yeezy Quantums. L. Good thing this was at my old address, because I'm pretty sure that I Okay. All right, let's check out the next video. The next one is my first ever live stream. Let's check it out. Okay. I'm just on my Twitter. I'm not talking at all. Don't I go a while without talking? Wow, like 5 minutes. Now I gotta do that. In the game. Gotta get the setup ready for tomorrow. You know. Now I gotta do that. In the game. Gotta get the setup ready for tomorrow. So what happened is I think I had this video or this stream open in another browser to make sure that it looked good. And I did not mute the volume. So I think it just looped over and over and over and over and over again. This is the first time I'm seeing this, and this is terrible. This probably explains why I had like 2 viewers the entire time. Let's just see how bad it gets and how long we want to sit through this travesty. See, but I fixed it.
Yeah, that's what I'm running to.
It was a setup video for something. Maybe some Kobe's. Oh, look at that. We didn't have the screen size right. Man, our OBS. Sweet.
And after that, he would still be so.
Wow, this is all over the place. I talked about my NSB setup.
For helping people, for sure.
How did I close it out? That's what I want to know. I just want to see how I closed it out.
Tomorrow,
did I do my...
You guys did.
Or was that
Twitter,
later?
Letting me know all of your success. I have no doubt
Let's check it out.
You're going to cook up the releases tomorrow morning. Hope I do as well. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great night. We will see you.
Oh. I just ended it. Okay. All right. Well, good job. First stream, not bad. Next video that we're going to look at is the most emotional unboxing ever.
What's up, guys? We have an extremely interesting unboxing.
This one's not too long ago.
We have an extremely interesting unboxing.
You guys probably remember this one.
I have a box right.
I zoomed in. Side note, these are the Kobe's that my friend Jesus got for me in the undefeated raffle. So,
bruh.
He left a note.
I know your boxes.
It was a whole emotional thing. I don't really want to watch myself. Okay, all right. Let's just move on.
I don't usually do.
All right, it was an emotional video. Let's just move on. Okay. Next video that I want to look at is Marcus Jordan Exposed. This is, I think, one of my first videos that I filmed with. I didn't think that I would have to make another one of these videos. Solestate Scoop series. After posting my so I think this is why. So much this more. Is one of my favorite ones.
After that, Marcus starts posting.
I did a lot of research for this video, man. I had a lot of cool stuff pulled up, like on Twitter that we checked out.
Released on 11 or
made me feel like, you know, I was a news reporter. Super long video, almost like 17 minutes.
Maybe
but this was just such a fun video to film, and it was kind of my first video into a different scope of just like live cops and reviews and stuff like that. It was the first time I was really venturing out into other type of content, and I just had so much fun filming it, and I'm gonna keep doing more of those types of videos in the future. This is a good time to tell you guys that I'll also be having some new channels coming out. One of them is going to be just like a whatever channel. It's gonna be kind of like a vlog channel. I'll show you guys just clips of like everyday life, stuff like that. And then I think I'm also going to be starting a sports channel where we discuss sports topics. And then potentially a gaming channel. We'll see. So whatever type of channel you guys are interested in, comment that down below and let me know. And let me know if you guys are going to be interested in those new types of channels. A lot of cool stuff coming in the future. So let's move on to the next video. The 6th video. This is, I wish I knew this before sneaker botting. This is the video I posted in late 2021. And the reason it's on this list is because it was my most viral video
What's up, YouTube? It is.
Wow, look at that blurred background.
Probably don't want to go down that
Wow,
path.
check that out. It
So
pains me that this is my most
today
viewed
when I
video.
was kinda getting
Because I could have done so much
moved
better on it. But
somewhat
essentially, I just put this
you're
video
gonna have to
in
sneak a
because
resale community
it's my most viewed
down
video.
on you. Just
It
chat with
it
friends.
really
Have a good time.
brought me in a
And just
ton
talk
of
about anything.
subscribers.
And then check out my Discord.
Matter of fact, I will go on and check. I'll put the number up on the screen right now of how many subscribers this video brought me in. Probably a lot. Probably at least 200-300, something like that. 15,000 views, 113 comments, 380 likes. By far my most viral video. So this is why it's on the list. And then the 7th video that I have on this list is just my favorite live cop video that I had. Jordan 1 Mocha live cop video released on October 31st of 2021, I believe.
In my sneaker resale series, I take you through my
Oh, this is the whole
turn
intro
my
that I
hobby
used to
into
do.
a full-fledged business.
Definitely not
This
copied from
is
Nova.
resale life.
Wow,
Alright, everyone.
sick cut there.
Today is the day. Today is a
Fun release though.
stagger the stock out, and they're gonna do some.
Okay, why am I so
restocks
quiet?
during this week. This release has been rough, guys.
I'm using PD. Wow.
Well, we checked out. Yes.
Oh, gotta check out on
Alright,
Cyber.
checked out on
And I was
Cyber.
pretty pumped about it.
One.
Oh,
PD.
we got
Let's
another one
go.
on PD. Look at that. Oh, another one on PD. Wow.
That's what I'm talking about.
Back in the days when PD was just going in on foot sites.
Did we hit another one with PD? We hit another one with PD. Let's go.
Nice, man.
One. Thanks to XYZ Raffle. Not just
Perfect.
Bobby's-
Good
10 that they were-
video, my man.
I look forward to getting the rest of the pairs in.
Oh, look at that.
hopefully
Look
in
at the
next couple
mochas.
days.
Is that
So
a
we can
bio
post up that
what is that
flex
called?
pic,
Hazard?
with all
Bio?
our
I don't remember
Jordan
what that one's called.
mochas,
I like that shoe though.
that we've
It's a nice
gotten so
shoe. I think it was
far.
slept
So
on.
we will
Got some
probably
dunk
check
highs
in.
up
I'm not
there.
really sure when we'll check in
I
again.
think this is
Probably
the
on
Seth
an
Fowler
unboxing.
shoe.
We have no
My Bear
releases
Brick.
coming up,
He's still over
in the
there.
next
He
few
made the
days.
cut.
So we will see then.
Um,
To you guys that I switched to a new server. The server
what is
channel
happening?
So-
Wow, what a long
that I've
video
been
for me.
getting, in the
Oh.
Discord group for those of you who
I got engaged.
to say we had some very exciting news this past week. Christy and I did finally get engaged.
Wow, look at that.
So thank you so much for all the support that I've been getting in the Discord group.
Wow.
For those of you who know, I appreciate all the kind words. I'm very excited for our future together. And
Cool, man. Now going on almost a year marriage. So how about that? Really cool. Really cool. All right, guys. Well, that was my top 7 Solestate videos. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what your favorite Solestate video was. And for you haters, don't just say the last one because so rude. So rude. I see you. That's rude. Anyways, that is it for the video today, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Be ready for the video on Thursday. Going to be a super emotional video. Goodbye, Solestate. I'll explain a little bit more what's going on Thursday, what's happening to this channel, what I'm going to be doing next. So yeah, stay tuned for that one, guys. It's going to be a crazy video. I haven't filmed it yet. I'm putting it off because just thinking about it right now is tough. So I'm putting it off. I got to do it though. So I'll film that. I'll have that for you guys on Thursday. Be ready for it. That's part 1. Part 2 is going to be hello to the new channel. You guys will see what I mean on Friday. So have your notifications set. Thursday, goodbye, Solestate. We'll probably do a Thursday night stream too to talk about everything and get you guys ready for the big announcement on Friday. So I'll see you guys then. Hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. See you guys on Thursday. This is Solestate signing out. I only can do that a few more times. See you later, boys.